Hello, everyone. Welcome to Oi Quiz. Guess the different animals by shadow. You have 7 seconds for each riddles. You may pause the video if you need more time. Let's start it. Which animal is this? Answer. Cat. Can you guess the shadow? Answer. Lion. Can you guess the animal? Answer. Elephant. Can you guess the animal by shadow? Answer. Dog. Can you tell me, what animal is this? Answer. Camel. Guess the animal. Answer. Fish. Can you guess the animal? Answer. Giraffe. Guess this animal, please. Answer. Crocodile. Only genius can guess. Answer. Deer. If the video is good, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And tell me in the comments how many riddles you answered correctly. Can you guess this animal by shadow? Answer. Dolphin. Guess this animal. Answer. Bear. Can you tell me, what animal is this? Answer. Penguin. Can you guess this animal by shadow? Answer. Horse. Guess this animal. Answer. Kangaroo. Can you guess the animal? Answer. Pig. Can you guess the animal by shadow? Answer. Ostrich. Guess this animal. Answer. Seahorse. Can you guess this animal by shadow? Answer. Hammerhead shark. If the video is good, please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And tell me in the comments how many riddles you answered correctly. I think it is very easy. Tell me, guys. Answer. Rabbit. Can you guess the animal? Answer. Cow. Can you guess this by shadow? Answer. Moose. What is this? Answer. Spider. Guess this by shadow. Answer. Swan. Guess this by image. Answer. King cobra. Guess this one by shadow. Answer. Turtle. What is this animal? Answer. Seal. Can you guess this animal? Answer. Mouse. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and like the video.